Another beautiful day. I saw this on my lens. I want to start climbing up stuff every morning because a couple of weeks ago I went on a hike climbing up this mountain with my mate Felix, and it was pathetic. I'm so out of shape all of a sudden. So this looks pretty good. I'm going to climb up here. Oh, this is a cool spot. Remember that canvas I was starting on like a week ago, but I had to stop? Well, I'm getting back into it today. Pretty excited about that, to be honest. It's going to be good. But I feel kind of weird because I just saw a dead dog in the river, and I don't know which dog it was because I know all the dogs around here. I couldn't tell who it was, but it's never nice. It's never nice to see that. It's kind of weird how desensitized I am to seeing dead animals now after living here for 2 years. When I first came here and I saw a dog get hit by a car, it was a shock. And I like, it's literally like the first 2 weeks of being here. I had a puppy get hit right outside my house, and it didn't die straight away, but it died in my arms, and I went and buried it in the field opposite my house, and that was like really sad. And then another one got hit a couple of weeks later, and then another one, and then another one, and yeah, after being here for like 2 years, I've probably seen 10 dogs get hit on my road, and all of them died except one. No, except two. Salka and Shadow. All the rest died, including my dog Tarzan. He was like a dog that came with my house. He didn't want to live in the house, he just wanted to live outside. But we looked after him, we fed him, and yeah, that was rough. But yeah, now when I see dead animals, and I see them quite a lot, it's just like not that much of a shock anymore. It still sucks to see it, but it's just a weekly thing living here. You just see dead animals all the time. Well, that's a nice way to start the vlog, isn't it? Let's get to work, eh? Back on this again. This is like my favourite thing to do right now, is drawing big pieces on walls or canvas or whatever. Just love it. That's like all my maths for this piece. Those are all the measurements that I need to use in the sketch. This is the bit where you have to have the most patience because it's just constantly adjusting the tramway heads, drawing a circle, adjusting the tramway heads, drawing a circle, and it takes forever. But it's getting there slowly. Right now it's just really boring. Just drawing circles over and over again, and I just put this tape in the middle to make sure that I don't puncture the canvas, you know. And it's fine. That dot in the middle is just pencil mark. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day there. Sun's going down. Made some pretty good progress on it. I'm maybe about halfway with the sketch, so shouldn't take too much longer to get that finished. I'll carry on with it tomorrow.